Welcome everyone. In this video, we're going to review the new Bildr educational system. We're really excited to get all the content that we've been recording out to the Bildr community. The new education system built right into the same area that you'll use when you're signed in for the project dashboard and for creating new projects. You can at any time go to the education tab and get access to all of Bildr's learning content. This is also a public page, so even if you don't have an account or if you want to share this with someone else, they will be able to access this without signing in. On the left side, we have our navigation. Right now we're in the home. And from here, you can get quick access to courses, lessons, and office hours. Let's start over in courses. So courses are sets of lessons compiled together to create an entire course around a theme. You'll see us adding courses on an ongoing basis as we expand all of our educational content. Lessons, you'll see a lot of familiar lessons in here. You can quickly search. So we search for Google and say, I'm looking to see how to set up material icons, and click on the lesson. The lessons are broken out into steps, so you can easily go through them. Some of it will have embedded videos like this with text helper. Other steps and other lessons may be only text-based with screenshots. We've also created a central place for all of the office hours. This is great because now all of the office hours are searchable, including the chapter and content that's been attached to these office hours. Continuing down, we have actions and elements. This is a very easily searchable list of every action and every element in Bildr with their associated docs. So you can come here to get information about all the different pieces of Bildr that you use every day. Then lastly, we have external links for developer docs and for YouTube. All right, so that's it for an overview of the new educational system in Bildr. Thanks for watching.